All right, guys, we're back with another VexVR project. Okay, this one I'm going to give you some of the basic tricks, tools, blocks, and the commands, and you are going to have to take them and solve the problem. The problem is uh, getting us through a maze or getting your vehicle through a maze. So first thing let's do is let's open up the maze so it's up here. All right, so go to select playground on the right and then wall maze. Click wall maze. So there we are. That's our challenge, okay? Is getting our vehicle through. All right. Once you've done that, I want you to go up and remember to save this project. So go to upper left file, save as, and remember, I want you to go to the desktop. And I saved mine with my first, last name, and then sense maze. Then VX code that was there anyway. But I just put my name and sense maze, so it's different from the other ones that we've done. And then click save. Uh, all right, so what I've done for you um, is I have created the pieces. I've created the blocks that you're going to need. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do um, is create these blocks. Now, these are the blocks that you are going to use um, to complete this maze, to get from here to here. And I don't even want to tell you how to get through the maze. I think you can figure it out. But I really want you guys to do most of the work here. And it's combining uh, the skills that you've learned this week. Okay, so to create these pieces, you just have to find them and drag them out. Like drive forward, you just grab it and you drag it out here and you drop it. All right. Well, why'd that do that? Okay. Yeah, and just drop it there. So blue, you can see these. Turn right, turn right. All right. Now remember, these drop-down menus, they may need to be changed depending on what's going on. Right? You may have to change it to left. You may have to change this number. I'm not telling you do, but you may have to. Okay? And then this wait until, okay, find the color, control, okay, go to the left. Okay, where's wait until? Oh, there's wait until. So I would go um, and do that. All right. So when I did that, I want to go, oh, okay, but he's got something in the hexagon diamondy thing. All right, what's that color? That's the sensing. Okay, what does it say? Front eye is near object. Let's find that. Front eye is near object. Good. Boom. All right. And you drop it in. All right. Now, this you have to find. I'm going to delete this one because we already have it. Good. All right. So remember here, you got to find forever, find the color, then find if. All right. Then you first have to find this less than. This number is less than. Uh, and then this front distance, which is blue. And then you also have to find break. So find them and then put them together just like this. Okay. And then wait until front eye detects red. Similar to this one up top, but different. All right, find that one. Get all your pieces, make them look just like this. Stop project, stop driving. You can just find those as is. And then we're going to put them together. So I'm going to take you through using most of these, and then I'm going to leave the rest to you. So we know that vehicle needs to drive forward. Okay, so what I want you to do is don't just drag them and use them. What you do is click on them and copy them. I use on the keyboard, I use Control C, all right, and then Control V. Boom, there. So you just use these to copy because you're going to use them a lot. All right. So again, it was click on them, Control C, and then Control V, which is copy, and then paste a new one. Bam. There you go. All right. And then we're going to use our wait until front eye because we want our vehicle to go forward until it finds something near it. And you'll see how that works. You'll see how that sensor works when we put it in there. So I'm going to click, highlight, copy, paste, Control C, Control V. Bam. And then, but it's not going to do anything unless you add one more command. I just want to show you. All right, so it's going to go, but it's going to keep driving into that wall. you need to say, okay, wait until the front eye, the camera in the front of the vehicle, is near an object, but then it needs to know what you want to do after that. And what we want to do is turn. But as I said, you don't want to turn right. We want to turn left because that's the opening in the maze. Okay. And then once you turn left, as we've done before, I want to drive forward. Okay. And let's check it out. Here we go. Testing. All right. And again, we didn't tell to do anything else after drive forward. So we are going to reset it and add some more commands. And here's where, we kind of get into uh, the repetition. All right. So um, that is okay. So now, like I said, we get into the repetition because we're going to go up, get close to wall, turn, get close to wall, turn, get close to wall, turn. It's going to change here. So I'm going to go through this quickly. I want one of these, copy. All right. I want you to drive forward. All right. Until you get close to this wall. Okay. Then I want you to turn right. And I want you to drive forward. See, I'm just kind of copying because this is repetition. So up, turn left, turn right, get close to this wall, turn left. So as I said, we got turn left, turn right, and we need a turn, another turn sequence. So same order, copy, paste. To turn right, let's see, left, right. So this needs to be left and drive forward again. Now things are going to change because watch what happens now. We can't allow it to go all the way there. That's too far. So what we need to do is similar to what we did in the other projects. We need to tell our vehicle, okay, when something in front of you gets a certain distance away, I want you to do something. All right. And what we're saying is, we are saying, okay, forever is our loop. So we want you to do something, which is drive forward forever until, or if, all right, and this is our less than, if the front distance, and you can actually, just so you guys know, this can be done uh, either way, but in our case, as is greater and less than, this number over here, see where the alligator, we always called them back in the day the alligator mouth. The alligator mouth, the side that it's open to has to be the bigger number, okay? And then, so when the front distance is less than this number, okay, then you need to turn. Or you need, sorry, you need to stop, and then we're going to turn. But I'll show you right here. So what if we threw in 200? Up, over, up, over. Oh, we're still stuck. So we need to go back, and we actually tell it what we want to do, which is similar to, I'm going to go back and copy this one, similar to what we did before. Okay, boom. And we want to copy and paste the drive forward. All right, so let's see how that 200 number works out. Get hung up. All right, so here's the deal. I don't want to tell you what that number is. I got you close. All right, I got you close, but I want you to figure that out. Okay, so remember, the front distance has to be on the smaller end. This number, okay, is greater than, is bigger than whatever the front distance is, whatever the camera sees as the front distance. Then it's going to brake and turn right and move forward. All right. So I got you to here. Okay. As you know, because we saw it, it's going to run into this wall. So you need to find out what the shorter distance here is. Then I want you to do the rest of the maze. Up, turn, up. And I don't want to show you the rest of the maze. I think you can do it. I want to see if you guys can do it. All right. So if you don't get all the way through or you run out of time, we will continue it on Monday when I get back. All right. But try to solve the problem, and Mr. Williams will be there to help you. So give it the best that you got. Um, and I'll see how you do when I get back. And after that, have a great weekend, you guys, and I'll see you.